Today's Professionals brought to you by The Basement Doctor.
Hi everyone, I'm here with John Clements, the Basement Doctor. Hi John.
How you doing?
Great. John, you've brought another guest with you today. This is Steve. How long have you been with the company?
I'm in my 4th year now.
Great.
Yeah.
Tell me what you like best about working with John.
Be nice.
Well, I love my job because we go into people's homes, we find out what's wrong, tell them, and then design a system that's going to benefit them for the long term.
So what do you do for the company? And you do a lot of traveling, I understand.
We do, yeah. We cover 32 counties, so we service parts of Indiana, including Fort Wayne. We stop hard at the Michigan line, Kenton to Sidney. So yeah, 32 counties in all. It's a lot of running.
John, that's impressive. So what are you looking for in your additional team members?
We want honest, mature people with integrity. Nobody comes to us and says, I know everything about basements.
Sure.
We'll train them. We'll give you the tools that you need. We want you to join the family. We want you to be a fit to the culture of the company. And we want you to make sure that our customers are satisfied the way that we've built this reputation over the years.
And briefly, you have some terrific benefits.
Yes, we do. We've got a full line of benefits. I mean, everything from short-term disability through dental and vision and major medical. And yeah, we're very proud of the package we can offer.
So if you have a family, it's kind of an ideal setup.
We also have a 3% match on your 401k.
That's great.
Company provided.
That's wonderful. Okay, thanks for being here, gentlemen. Appreciate it. Thanks, everyone. We'll see you next time.